Hello and welcome to Excel in Life. Happy to share Excel in Life Utility version 2. In this version, I have added more utility for you, along with undo option for the last activity. This video will be more interesting, as I will explain how you will install and use this utility software. A big shout out to Ayaz Lakhani, who has asked for most of this utility. If you need any further utility to add, please write in the comments section. I will add in the next version. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell notification so that you can get my next video. This will also motivate me to bring more such videos for you. In his utility you will get Text Tools utility, where you can add text, delete text, change case, delete extra space, rupees to words, number to words, highlight row or column, delete alphabet, delete numeric, delete symbol, delete space, keep alphabet only, keep number only, keep symbol only, keep alphanumeric, generate direct download link from Google Drive. Download the file from the link given in the description. Shift the file in a folder and then extract the file. File is password protected. This password will be revealed in various part of this video, hence, don't skip any of the part. Let us click Add-in the Developer tab and select Excel in Life utility file. You can watch the previous video to know how to install add-in. After installation, Excel in Life tab will be visible after View tab. Clicking this tab will see buttons for various utility. There are several videos to demonstrate various functions of Text Tools utility. Please click the I button to get them. Let us first change the case. Select uppercase to change the range of text to uppercase. Same way you can change to proper case or lower case. I have written I love India in a range of cells. Now, if I want to change I with we, I will delete one character from the left and then add we from the left. Another utilization is, suppose you have serial numbers and want to add certain text in front of them. You can do the same using Text Tools. Select the number, type the word you want to add, check include numeric cells, and click OK. Rupees to word will change the amount to words in rupees and paisa. There is also a function rupees to word is included. Using function also you can convert any amount to word. Number to word will change the numbers to words. There is also a function number to word is included. Using function also you can convert any number to word. If want this is billion, million with dollar style, then write to me, I will do that. Highlight row, column. If you want to highlight rows or columns at a certain interval, then this utility is for you. Select the area. If row value is 2 means, it will highlight every second row. Undo is enabled for this utility. You can undo pressing Ctrl+Z. You can change the highlight color. By changing column value, you can highlight columns at certain interval. First option in delete character is delete alpha. This will delete only alphabet from any text. In our sample, we have written text with alphabet, number and symbols. On clicking the delete alpha, only alphabets are getting deleted, and number and symbols will remain if any. When you need to delete any unwanted numbers from series of text, then use delete numeric. and our sample all numerical digit in the text is deleted. Next is delete symbol. Applying this utility, we can delete only non-alpha and non-numeric character. Last in this series is delete space. There is a difference between this and trim function. Trim function deletes any excess space, but this utility will delete all spaces in between any text. Next utility is keep character. This will delete all other character, except the mentioned one. First one is keep alpha. On clicking this, only alphabets will remain and all other character will be deleted. Select keep numeric only, will delete all other character except number. Accordingly, keep symbol will delete all other except symbol. If you need only alphabets and numeric values, then select keep alpha numeric. Undo option is enabled in this version. So, if you need to undo any changes done by this utility, can be done now by pressing Ctrl+Z. Generate download link. This utility generates direct download link from Google Drive. Generally, Google Drive does not allow direct link, and if you simply share the file link, it will go to Google Drive in view mode. You have already loved my previous video, where I have shared one Excel file to convert this link. In this utility, conversion will be much more simple. Paste the file link, then click generate. New link will be generated in the text box, which can be copied for further use. Let's see how to do that. Go to Google Drive, then right-click on the file you want to share. Click Get Link. Change the general access to anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. Now paste the link in the text box. Click Generate Download Link button. Download link is ready to use. Click the Copy and Close button. It will automatically copy this link to clipboard. Now if we paste this link to browser, our file will be downloaded directly. You can share this link via WhatsApp, email, YouTube description. You can share file up to 15 GB absolutely free. Watch tutorial section, also updated according to new tutorial released. You can watch any tutorial in YouTube, selecting from here. Request you to browse Excel in Life. Here you will get videos related to Excel function, Excel chart, Excel VBA, healthy lifestyle, meditation and sound therapy. Please support my channel by joining membership program. You will get various parts, which consists, members only video, personal guidance etc. Till then, goodbye.